my communion find. His service is the golden cord, close binding human mind. Join hands then, people of the faith, whate'er your age may be. All children of the living God are surely kin to me. In Christ now meet both east and west, in Him meet south and north. All Christ-like souls are